New Subaru Solterra has been revealed. The Subaru Solterra looks almost comparable to the previously revealed Toyota BZ4X, which comes as no surprise to anyone. After all, it's just a rebadged version of the car. It does get new headlamps and a front bumper, with a blanked-off grille replacing the Toyota's smoother front bumper. The Subaru Solterra's interior is fairly simple, with a huge central infotainment system and a 7-inch digital driver's display situated directly in front of your eyes. It seems that brown inside trim will be available in the Subaru as well, something that had yet to be verified for the Toyota BZ4X. The Subaru Solterra will hit the market in 2022 and is expected to be the Japanese manufacturer's most expensive vehicle. As a result, it will almost certainly run you back more than £40,000, excluding it from the government's £2,500 plug-in car grant.